Good morning student. Once again welcome in maths class. So exercise number 3.1 and 2 we have done already. So today we start our exercise number 3.3. The chapter which we are doing here, that is the subtractions. Clear? So in 3.1 and 2 you have done. So today we start our exercise number 3.3. Here the question number 1 is find the difference in each of the following. Here A, B, C, D and E part is given in your question number 1. So let's see how we do the question number 1. Find the difference. It means we subtract the given parts. Okay, in the given these parts we do the subtraction. We find the difference here. So let's see here the part number A, 620 plus 374. Clear? So, how we subtract 374 from 620? Let's see beta. Here in the ones place there is 0. Okay. Here 0 ones, 2 tens and 600. And here is 4 ones, 7 tens and 300. So here is 0 ones, here is 4 ones. So how we subtract? We cannot subtract 4 from 0. So what we do? We take from tens, 10 tens here. Clear? From there we take here, from there we take the tens. So now here is 10 ones. Here is 10 ones and we can say that we take carry from there. Now there is 10 ones and here is 1 tens. We take carry from there. Okay. So how we do now? There is 10 ones and here is 4 ones. So we can easily subtract 10 minus 4 equal to 6. Clear? Now we take already taken from there 1 tens here. Okay. So now there is 1 and there is 7. So from 1 we cannot subtract 7. Okay. There is 1 tens and there is 7 tens. So we cannot subtract. So what we do? We take from there. Here is 6. When we take the hundreds here, we make it. There is 1. Then we take it is 11. Okay. And now there is 5. We take carry from there. Now there is 511 tens. 11 tens minus 7 tens. We can easily subtract. Okay. So 11 minus 7 equal to 4. Clear? Now here is 500 and 300. In 100 place there is 5, there is 3. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2. Clear all of you? We can check our answer also. 6 plus 4 equal to 10. 1 carry. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. Sorry, 7 plus 4 equal to 11. Okay. And one of your carry then 12. And here is 3 plus 2 and 1 of carry then 5. So 620 minus 374, its answer is 246. Let's see the part number B. 605 minus 46. It means from 605 we subtract 46 here. Let's see how we do. There is 5, there is 6. So from 5 we cannot subtract 6. There is 5 ones and there is 6 ones. Okay. So what we do? Here is 0 tens, here is 4 tens. Clear? So from 100 there. Here is 600. So from 600 when we take carry, now it is 10. Okay. When we take carry from 6 there, it is 10. Okay. And there is 5. So for subtracting this ones, we take carry from there also, from 10 tens. When we take carry there, now there is 15 ones. Okay. And here is 9 tens. And here is 500. Clear? I am repeating again here. Here is 5 ones, 0 tens and 600. So how we do? We take carry from there. From 100 place we take carry. From 100 we make the here 10 tens. Now there is 10 and here is 5. When we take carry from there, it is 15. Clear? 15 ones, 9 tens and 5 ones. Now we can easily subtract. How? Because here is 15 ones, here is 6 ones, here is 9 tens, here is 4 tens, here is 5 and there is nothing. So 15 minus 6 equal to 9. Clear? And 9 minus 4 equal to 5. And here is 5, nothing is there, so we write the 100 place as it is. So answer is 559. Okay, 9 plus 6 equal to 15, 1 carry. 4 plus 5 equal to 9 and 1 carry 10. Clear? And 5 plus 1 equal to 6. We can check our answer also. Clear, student? Now the part number C. Here is 700 minus 403. From 700 we subtract here 403. So let's see beta here. In ones place 0, in tens place 0 and in 100 place there is 7. So now here is 700 and 403. So 0 ones, 0 tens and 7 and 100. Clear? So how we do this question? We take carry from there, we take the 100 here, so we make it 10 tens, okay? We make this 10 tens, okay? Now there is 0 ones, we again take carry from 1 tens we take, we make it 10 ones, okay? Here is 10 tens. When we take carry, now there is 9 tens, okay? And there is 6 in the 100. Clear, student? From there we take 100 and we make the 10 tens. Now there is, now 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Here is 10 ones and 3 ones. So 10 minus 3 equal to 7. Now there is 9, there is 0. So we write 9 minus 0 equal to 9. When we subtract 0 from any number, we get the number itself. There is 9. Now here is 6, here is 4. 6 minus 4 equal to 2. Clear? You can check your answer also. 7 plus 3 equal to 10. 1 of carry. 9 plus 1 equal to 10. 1 carry. 4 plus 2 equal to 6 plus 1 equal to 7. Now see the part number D. 4200 minus 1325. So how we do this question? In ones place there is 0, in tens place there is 0, in 100 place 2 and 1000 place 4. So from there we take the 100 there, so we make the 10 tens, okay? And when we take 1 tens from there, we make here 10 ones. Now here is 9. We take carry from there. Now there is 1. Okay, so firstly complete this one. 10 minus 5 equal to 5. 9 minus 2 equal to 7. Now we have already taken 1 from there. So now there is 1, there is 3. So from 1 we cannot subtract 3. So what we do? From 1000 we take the carry from there. Now there is 3000 and here is 11. Okay. So 11 minus 3 equal to 8. And 3 minus 1 equal to 2. You can check your answer also. 5 plus 5 equal to 10. 1 carry. 7 plus 2 equal to 9. 1 of carry, it's 10. 8 plus 3 equal to 11. 1 of carry, it's 12. And 2 plus 3 and 1 of carry, it's 4. It means all the solution is correct. Okay, student? So now the part number E of question number 1. This is the last part of that question. Again in this question we do the regrouping. Clear? So here is 3000 minus 2186. From 3000 we subtracted 2186. So let's see how we do. In ones place 0, in tens place 0, in hundred place there is 0, and the thousand there is 3. It means 0 ones, 0 tens and 0 hundred. So how we do this question? From the thousand, when we take carry, we cross it, we make it 10. Okay, we make it 10. Clear? Now how we subtract? We take from there again the carry from there, we cross it, we make it 10. Okay, and when we take carry from there, we make here the 10 ones. Now we have taken the carry from there, so there is 9. So we cross it, and there is also 9. Clear? We cross it. Clear? And there is 2. From the thousand place we take the carry, we make 10 here. Okay, again we take the carry from there. Now 9 is remaining here, and there is 10. So when we take again carry there is 9 is remaining here, and we make here 10 ones. So 10 minus 6 equal to 4, 9 minus 8 equal to 1, 9 minus 1 equal to 8, and 2 minus 2 equal to 0. Clear, student? This is the part number E. From 3000 minus 2186. We can check our answer also. 6 plus 4 equal to 10, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 equal to 9, 1 of carry again 10, 1 carry. 8 plus 1 equal to 9, and 1 of carry it's 10, 1 carry. 2 and 1 of carry, that is the 3. It means the solution is correct. This is all about your question number 1. Now the question number 2 of exercise 3.3 is subtract. So in this question there is part A, B and C. 3 part is there in this question number. So the part number A is 6537 from 8000. It means from 8000 we subtract 6537. This is the smaller number, this is the bigger number. We always subtract smaller number from the bigger. Clear? So how we write? First we write the bigger number, after that we write the smaller number. Remember students, don't write this one first. Clear? This is given in the first. So most of the student you write this number in first, and after that you write 8000. So how we can subtract? Because this is the bigger and this is the smaller. From the smaller number, how we can subtract the bigger? So first we write 8000, after that we write 6537. Clear? So you write ones, tens, hundred and thousand. You write the places here. Then you write 8000 minus 6537. In this question we are doing here by regrouping, arranging by regrouping here. Here is 0 ones, 0 tens, 0 hundred and 8000 here. Clear? So how we do there? We take the carry from there. Now there is 7000, and we take from there, we make here 1000. Clear? We make 1000 here. Again there is 0 tens. So we take carry from there, we make here 10 tens. Clear? Now there is 0 ones, we take carry from there, now we make it 10 ones. Clear? We have done here 10 tens, but we take carry, now there is 9 tens and 900. Clear? We take carry, we make here 10 hundred now. But we also take carry, we take from there carry. Now there is 900 is remaining. We make here 10, but we take carry from again there. So there is 9 tens and 10 ones. 10 ones, 9 tens and 900. And 7 there is the 1000 place. Now we can subtract. Clear? Why we are doing? Because 0 is the smaller number and 7 is the bigger number. From the smaller number, we cannot subtract the bigger number. So let's see. 10 minus 7 equal to 3. 9 minus 3 equal to 6. 9 minus 5 equal to 4. And 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Clear? Now, the part number B is there. This is also the same part. Part number B, it's 6000. Part number B is 6459 from 7000. Clear? we subtract 6,459 from 7,000. So how we do this question? First we write the places here, then we write the bigger number here. 7,000 is bigger than 6,459. So you write here 7,000. Now 6,459. Clear? Now in ones place 0 ones, 0 tens, 0 hundred and 7,000 here. Clear? So we take carry from there. We make here 10, 100. Okay? But we take again the carry. We make here 10 tens and we take carry from there. Now it's 10 ones, 9 tens and 9 hundred is remaining here and there is 6. Clear all of you? We start from there. We make it 10 but again we are taking carry here. So we make 10 tens but we are taking again making here 10 ones. So 10 ones, 9 tens, 900 here and 6 in the 1000. Now easily we can subtract 10 minus 9 equal to 1, 9 minus 5 equal to 4, 9 minus 4 equal to 5 and 6 minus 6 equal to 0. Clear? This is the part number B. Now the part number C is 6,927 from 8,070. Clear? So how we do this question? The same question. First we write the places, ones, tens, hundred and thousand. After that we write the bigger number. Subtract 6,927 from 8,070. Right. It's 8,070 minus 6,927. Let's see student here. In there is 1, 0 ones, 7 tens, 0 hundred and 8,000 here. So here is 7, here is 0. Can we subtract? No, because this is the bigger number and this is the smaller. Clear? So what we do? We take carry from there. Clear? We take the 1 tens here. We make here 10 ones. Clear? We take 10 ones from there. Now here is 6 is remaining. Clear? So do this one. 10 minus 7 equal to 3 and 6 minus 2 equal to 4. Clear? Now in 100 place there is 0, there is 9. We cannot subtract 9 from 0 because 9 is the bigger than 0. So what we do? We again take carry from there. So we make here 10, 100 and here is 7 is remaining here. Clear all of you? So 10 minus 9 equal to 1 and 7 minus 6 equal to 1. Clear? In this way we do our exercise number 3.3. The question number 1 and question number 2. It is very easy beta, but you remember how we subtract any number from 8,000, from 5,000, you take carry, you make this one 10 ones, 10 tens and 10 hundred. Clear? This is all about your exercise number 3.3. Clear all of you? Do your work in neat and clean handwriting.